We have important news to share. An outdoor SaveStation has been placed in our community, and it houses a life-saving automated external defibrillator, or AED, which is accessible 24/7. An AED is safe and easy for anyone to use. An AED is needed when sudden cardiac arrest strikes. It can happen anytime, anywhere, to anyone, and is still a leading cause of death. Your SaveStation may be mounted on the side of a building or home like this one, or be a freestanding tower like this one. Depending on which model you have, you either open the SaveStation by pulling down on either side of the cabinet like this, or simply pull down the handle to open like this. Once opened, an alarm will sound. Simply access the AED inside and immediately take to the patient. If someone is unresponsive and not breathing, brain damage sets in 4 minutes. It is important to know what to do before medical help arrives. Just remember these 3 steps: call, push, shock. Call. Always call 911. Push. Begin CPR immediately. Shock. Turn on the machine and follow the voice prompts. For more information or to place AEDs in your community, please visit SaveStation.ca. Together, we will save more lives from sudden cardiac arrest.